everyone, and welcome back again to my YouTube channel. For my returning subscribers, you guys are awesome. Thank you for always stopping by. And if today is your first time of tuning into my channel, my name is Jennifer and you're absolutely welcome. Okay, please don't forget to click on that red subscribe button below to get subscribed to this channel, and also don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first person to get it. So guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make pumpkin puree for babies above 6 months old. When your child is about 6 months old, he or she starts eating and is able to chew some of the solid food you give to them. This is the best time to introduce all the nutritious fruits and vegetables and help build a healthy diet for them. Pumpkin is one such vegetable that has great nutritional benefits. Pumpkin contains high amount of calcium and magnesium, which helps your child bone to become more stronger. Pumpkin is very high in fiber, which aids in digestion. Pumpkin also contains vitamin A, which is an essential nutrient for eye health. Pumpkin also increases energy level, and finally it is very good for the immune system. Okay, you see the reason why you should include pumpkin to your baby's meal. So guys, sit back, let's get started, okay?
To make a delicious pumpkin puree, all we need is pumpkin, okay? First, you need to cut the pumpkin and remove the seed, and also peel the back. Cut the pumpkin into cubes. Wash the pumpkin very well. Then steep the chopped pumpkin cubes for about 15 minutes. After them, blend well and make sure no lumps remain, okay?
난 아무 말도 할 수가 없었지. 첫눈에 반한다는 이야기가 널 보는 순간 이해가 됐어. 매번 야야야야야 불러 널 야야야야 내 맘을 고백하려고 타이밍만 보는 나.
So guys, the pumpkin puree is ready and this is exactly the way it should look, okay? Thank you for watching and I hope you enjoyed this video. Please, if you find this video useful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share with your friends and leave a comment down in the comment section below. And if you are yet to subscribe, please consider subscribing to this channel, okay? Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next video. I love you all.